be a word of?
Verbs.
It is a common verb.
Sorry, ma'am. Nouns.
It
Noun
is
form.
also belonging to noun, but what is exactly the function of adjective?
It describes
like
noun and
it
adjective.
Ma'am,
modifies.
it is a adjective is a common noun which is used in every sentence.
Okay, so can anybody give me example? Everybody open the camera. Please, somebody give
Ma'am,
me
like
an example.
parking, playing, dancing, singing, and etc.
So these are verbs, no? Dancing, singing, these are verbs. Am I right or not? These are verbs, no? They are not adjective.
Ma'am,
they
like big,
describe.
small.
Yeah, Advika?
Ma'am, like big, small, beautiful, pretty.
I don't want words. You give me a sentence and tell me, ma'am, in the sentence, this is adjective.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Like
This girl is very beautiful.
ma'am, it describes someone's attribute.
Okay, one by one. First, Advika.
ma'am, she is very beautiful.
She
Ma'am,
is
here beautiful is a adjective.
very good. Then Neha.
Ma'am, this cake is huge.
This
Huge
cake
is an
is good.
adjective.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Charantej.
Ma'am, an adjective means describes a attribute of some attribute of something. Ma'am.
Okay, so what is exactly? Give me the example sentence.
Ma'am, this cake is very beautiful. Beautiful is the adjective.
Cake is very
Excuse me,
beautiful.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
this
sorry to
rock is
disturb
very
you, ma'am.
beautiful.
Your voice suddenly is your voice is low, ma'am.
Now,
Very low. No, ma'am.
now.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Yes, Charantej. Give me some other line.
Ma'am, that's a very big cake. Big is the adjective.
Okay, fine. Here, why big is adjective?
Ma'am, because it is describing the cake how it is.
Okay, so cake is a noun, basically, right? Cake is noun. And Siddhant, can you give me one sentence?
Ma'am, I can give like there's a gigantic rock. I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it like gigantic or gigantic something? Like the
Gigantic.
spelling is gigantic. Yes, there's a gigantic rock
Yeah.
in the mountain.
Yeah. So
So here the
gigantic is
adjective
the
is
yeah,
adjective.
gigantic. Yeah, very good. So hope everybody got what is an adjective, what is a pronoun. So now entering into demonstrative. So this, those, that, these are all used to describe or replace an object or idea in English. For example, this is my favorite book. Instead of telling the book's name, maybe the book may be Wings of Fire written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, but I'm not telling Wings of Fire is my favorite book. Instead of that, I'm telling this is my favorite book, right? So nobody knows what is the favorite book name is. And I'm using this. So this is replacing the noun, right? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And those are my shoes. So I'm not telling, like, I'm not telling the name of the shoe or the brand of the shoe. I'm not telling you whether it's a sports shoe or it's a cut shoe. I'm just saying those are my shoes. It's replacing the noun. These are mangoes. So again, I'm not telling they are Alfonso mangoes or is there any kind of mangoes name is there. I'm not mentioning it. I'm just telling these are mangoes. That's all. So this is going to replace the object or idea in English. Why this is useful? So it's a placeholder, so you can communicate without repeating the same word over and over again, obviously. So when I start to talk about, for example, I'm talking about Bharatiyar, Tamil poet. Okay. So I'm just mentioning the highlights of Mr. Bharatiyar. So when I talk about Bharatiyar, every time I don't want to say Bharatiyar is a good, Bharatiyar is a good, Bharatiyar is a good. Instead of that, I can say Bharatiyar is the Tamil poet. He is very good. He is. I can replace the Bharatiyar with he. So obviously they are acting as a placeholder. Okay. And when you're learning English as secondary language,
Ma'am,
these
also
words are
it's like placing like a pronoun.
correct. They are actually pronouns. They are pronouns, right? So what is the definition of a pronoun? They replace the noun. So when I cannot say the noun again and again, I put pronoun there. That's all, my job is done. Right? So what is now coming to the important thing? What is demonstrative pronoun? So not much explanation is needed for pronoun or adjective. All are very clear in that. Now, what is demonstrative pronoun? This, that, these are demonstrative pronouns. There is, first of all, you should be clear in this point. There is not something, a separate word is there, like something called demonstrative, nothing is like that. Again, these four all comes under demonstrative pronoun only. A pronoun in English, that is a word that replaces a
What a
noun
class,
or a thing.
Chelsea.
Like using she to replace women's name, it also a handy grammar shortcut. So demonstrative comes from the word to demonstrate. So to demonstrate means to elaborate, to make it very clear. No, demonstrate the experiment means show me the experiment in a clear manner. Do the experiment and tell me in the clear manner. So a demonstrative pronoun works as a placeholder or to replace a noun in the sentence. You won't understand it now. We will complete the blog and then you will understand. See the original sentence. How much is the shirt? How much is the shirt? So in this sentence, we are not using any pronoun. Am I right?
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't got.
Who was telling me that they didn't got?
Last year.
Okay, see here, Lasya. I'm just telling this. See this original sentence. How much is the shirt? Okay. I'm not telling, I'm not using any pronoun there. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes.
But see the second sentence. How much is this? Right. How much is this? Instead of the shirt, I'm replacing it with this.
ma'am, like
Okay.
the pronouns are to, instead of lagging the sentence, they just make it short of it.
Exactly. Yes. So that is
Okay.
a pronoun. So here they are coming to say that there is no much difference between demonstrative pronoun and pronoun. But where it difference comes, I'll tell you. When you learn adjective also, that comes a confusing factor. Because adjective also has this, that, these, those. Now the task is to find where it is adjective and where it is demonstrative pronoun. We'll come to that. Okay. There is another way to use this, that, these, those. So one thing very carefully you have to see here. This, that, these, those are again coming under demonstrative adjective. They are also demonstrative adjective. They are also demonstrative pronoun. No change in the words. But where the change is coming, where you are using that word and for what you are using that word, there changes comes. Now we'll read the block. An adjective is a descriptive word that goes with a noun. So as you all told, that's going to describe the noun. My water bottle is very long. That's an adjective. Very is an adjective. Using this, that, these, those as demonstrative adjective helps to distinguish between multiple objects or idea. Let's see. In case you keep the noun but add this, that, these or those for clarity. Like, okay, they didn't give examples. Okay, we'll see that down. So now they are coming to demonstrative pronoun versus demonstrative adjective. See, these grapes are good, but I won't eat those. So I'll take the sentence. I'll put in PPT.
Ma'am, when you're keeping your mic down, we can't hear you, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll keep it up.
That's
See here. These grapes are good, but I won't eat those. First of all, identify which is like pronouns and adjectives here. Which is pronoun, first of all. Yes.
These and those.
These
And
and
those.
those. These two are what?
ma'am, but I have a
Pronouns.
doubt. Like,
Ma'am,
Yeah.
like
these are
can't
adjectives.
it like this in the sentence? I feel like the sentence will be like, these grapes are good, but I would eat them. I feel
wouldn't
like
eat.
that.
I wouldn't eat them. You can use them also. You can use those also. That is not gonna change the like meaning of the sentence. But here the main point is you have to identify which is demonstrative, like which is pronoun. So these are pronouns and those are pronouns. But I will read the sentence in another way. See here. These grapes are good. I will eat. But I won't eat those grapes. Those are bad. Can you identify the difference? I
Ma'am,
told these grapes are good. I will eat. I'm just adding I will eat.
Or even situation in the sentence, ma'am, it may be like, for seeing the grapes are good, but she don't like the grapes.
Yeah. Yeah. So see here, these I'll be rewriting the sentence. I'll be rewriting the sentence.
Yes.
Please mute somebody.
The situation is changing in the sentence. We can change the sentence in the different situations.
1 second. I cannot get you. I can get you partially only. I'll complete this, but I won't eat those.
It's fine, ma'am. Just
Bad.
I'm just giving a normal example. It's fine.
Okay. You give this after after I completing this.
Fine,
See,
ma'am.
my question is these two sentence tells the same meaning or not?
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am, yes.
Read the sentence again.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
sentence 1 and sentence 2 are giving the same meaning or not?
Ma'am, they are giving the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
But now you see here these grapes are good means they are telling these are used to replace the word good, na? Grapes are there. See, grapes are there and telling these is representing the good one. But in the second part of the sentence, those are representing the word bad grapes. Coming back to sentence 1. So these grapes are good, but in the sentence 1, they didn't mention the bad grapes name, because bad grapes, if they mention, it will be confusing. Now come back to sentence 1. These grapes are good, but I won't eat those. Means here, those are the replacement of what?
bad.
Bad
Bad
grapes.
grapes. Okay, not only bad, it's bad grapes. So bad grapes are what?
Adjective.
Noun. Grapes, no. Noun. It's noun. Like
Yes, ma'am. Noun.
here, if you are getting confusing, I'll tell you remove the bad. You remove the bad. Here, those are what? Some kind of grapes, correct or not? Some kind of grapes. It may be bad or not bad, or some other states grapes or some other countries grapes. We don't care about that. But here those are representing the grapes or not?
Ma'am, those are
Yes, ma'am.
Those are
Yes.
representation of grapes. Lassie, agreeing with me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Not getting confused, no? You now forget about the first part of the sentence. So here those are representing the grapes, that is noun. So they come under what? Demonstrative
Demonstrative adjective.
pronoun. What is this, Lassia? I'm telling no. Grapes comes under noun means those are the replacement of grapes means they comes under demonstrative pronoun. I think I'm right. We'll see the blog. Yeah, correct. I was correct. Right. See, please don't get confused. I'll come again if you're getting confused. See here. First, for your understanding, I have written the sentence into this way. Okay. So here you leave the first part of the sentence for now. I'm coming to the second part of the sentence. But I wouldn't eat those. Here, those is the replacement of grapes or not? We don't care
Yes,
about
ma'am.
what kind
Yes,
of grapes is that. We don't care about what kind of grapes. They may be good grapes also. They may be bad grapes also. Maybe the good grapes they are representing maybe the green one, bad maybe the black one. We don't care about the grapes. It may be bad grapes, or we will just strike out the bads. Okay, bad, we will strike out the bad. We don't care about what kind of grapes, but it is grapes. Replacement of grapes is those. So grapes are what? Noun. Am I right? Agreeing? Grapes are noun.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
automatically those will come under what kind? Demonstrative
Pronouns.
pronouns. That's it.
Ma'am, like simply if like there's one noun, it will be a pronoun. Like
Yes.
if the if the pronoun is describing like a
Yeah.
noun, then it's a demonstrative
Yes.
pronoun.
Yes. But you see the further, that's why I'm coming to the first part of the sentence now. In the first part of the sentence, grapes is already there. No, the main part is noun. The noun is already there. So these will be obviously these are representing the good one, good wala grapes. So these will automatically come under demonstrative
pronoun.
Adjective.
Adjectives.
Adjective.
Who said pronoun? Who said
Ma'am,
pronoun?
like the things that describe
Oh.
noun, pronoun, and the thing that describe the verb, like not the verb, sorry, like describe the adjective or adjective.
Yeah, so here what is the important thing you have to notice is you have to read the line. Simply. Read the line. First of all, convert the line into the suitable format. So here, these bad also you can remove because bad grapes again confuses you.
Ma'am, like can you
Remove the
give
bad.
another sentence? Like we'll
We
try
will
to
see.
understand.
This is the very simple example. You can easily find out which is demonstrative pronoun and which is demonstrative adjective. Just for understanding, I'm telling. It was there in the blog. We will complete the blog. Okay, see that blog is completed. Now see, look at the another example. See the original sentence. I like this cake that I'm eating. So that's why I'm told you. So see the bracket they have written I am eating. So as we have as we have I have rewritten the sentence. Like that you also should rewrite in the examination. If they're asking you, rewrite the sentence. You can put your own words. Rewrite, then only you will understand. So original sentence is I like the cake. Demonstrative adjective means I like this cake. Okay. But whereas demonstrative pronoun is I like this. That's all. Clearly understanding now. Clearly understanding. In the demonstrative adjective, cake is the noun, but it is present. So obviously this will be what? Demonstrative adjective only, no? So already noun is there. We don't have any replacement for noun. Okay. Understanding? Noun is there. We don't want any replacement for noun. The cake is noun. I mean, if you see the parts of sentences, I will be the noun. But for the sake of example, I'm telling here, cake will be noun, right? So name of a place, animal, or thing by the normal definition. If you go, cake will come under noun. Yes. So, but noun is already there. So we don't have any substitute for noun. We don't want any substitute for noun, to be frank. So, but this is there. This is also present. So obviously this will go under what?
Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective.
Exactly. Now got. But see the second sentence with demonstrative pronoun, just the sentence is incomplete. I like this. This can be anything. This can be the replacement of any noun. Am I right? So this is very clear example. Another very, very clear example, right? But in your lesson, like I don't know what is the pattern of question. So Siddhant or last year somebody asked me like, ma'am, we are getting questions in the exam. What is the pattern of the question? Are they giving you some line and telling you to convert to demonstrative adjective pronoun, or they are telling to identify it?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I have a
both.
doubt.
Ma'am, can I? I'm last year.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah. 1 second. Last year will speak. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Mine is it's like a VAV English, ma'am. My textbook is, and they will give the questions like they'll give a sentence like something of demonstrative pronoun, demonstrative sentence. One if they will give means
Okay.
we need to write it or we need to convert it into like demonstrative noun or like demonstrative adjective, demonstrative
is-
pronoun like that.
Basically, like this pattern you're telling, I think so. So they'll give a original sentence. They will tell to convert the sentence into demonstrative adjective. So you'll be basically doing like this. So, and demonstrative pronoun, you'll be basically, it's very, very easy. If it is a conversion part, it's very easy. You know, there are algorithms to do. If they give the original sentence to you, see, for example, I like the cake. Okay. In this, you see the cake is a noun. Be very, very clear with the nouns. So in demonstrative pronoun part, you don't have to mention the noun. So I hope you are trying to understand. So when they give a original sentence, you will first find where is a noun in the sentence. One hint I'll give you in the demonstrative, if they ask you to convert to demonstrative pronoun, the hint is you will not use noun there. For example, the cake is a noun here. So in demonstrative pronoun sentence, cake should not be there. Instead of cake, you will use the pronoun, normal pronoun, this, that, these you will use. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
But yeah, when it comes to demonstrative adjective, hint is if it is noun is there, noun will come. But instead of that, this will also come. This or those or these will come. Plus,
Ma'am?
so these, the triple T, 1 second, Ra. Triple T. So any one T, the triple T la any one T plus your noun will also join. So Three T's plus noun is the format for demonstrative adjective. No noun, only T's, triple T's. Any one T in the triple T will be the format for demonstrative pronoun. It's a
Demonstrative.
hint. It's a hint.
Yes, ma'am. And they will give like, ma'am, they will give the normal sentence. In
Yeah.
that somewhere mistake they will do of any, like,
Yes.
identify the mistake and rewrite the sentence, adding demonstrative pronoun, adjective, like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Correct.
we need to write it down like that.
That's okay. I think somewhat we will yet we are yet to do many things.
Yes, ma'am.
I think now you're understanding something. It's okay, right? Like
Yes.
Ma'am, I
first you
have a
don't.
doubt.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Please, somebody was calling me. Yes.
ma'am, there is that sentence, right, ma'am? These grapes are good, but I won't eat
Yeah.
those.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in that, but I won't eat those will come under the demonstrative pronoun, but I won't eat those grapes will come under the demonstrative adjective.
No, you just told the inverse.
Okay, ma'am.
No, I'm asking like you're telling, ma'am, you're wrong. This is only right answer. Like that you're telling, or ma'am, is my answer is correct? You're asking me, or you're telling me, ma'am, you're wrong.
Ma'am, I am asking that is my answer correct?
No. So Sritej, sorry, Charantej, you're still confused, it means.
Ma'am, so, but I won't eat those grapes will come under the demonstrative pronoun.
That's what I was explaining till now. See here, you see the second part of the sentence. But I won't eat those. Those are nothing but replacement of what?
Grapes.
Grapes are what? What are grapes? Charantej, what are
Ma'am,
grapes?
ma'am, the noun.
So instead of noun, those are there. So obviously, what this will come under what?
Demonstrative pronoun.
Exactly, demonstrative pronoun. That's all. But see here, grapes are nouns, right? Grapes are nouns, but noun is already present in the sentence. So extra thing is this. So this extra thing will obviously be adjective.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to see logically also the sentence is correct. So whatever we are telling is correct. How I'll prove that? So second sentence we saw logically only. First sentence, these are representing the good, the word good, and these are not representing the grapes. There where you will get confused. So that's why I gave you a hint. So wherever the nouns are there, the replacement is also there. I mean, the pronoun kind of thing is also there. Noun is also there. Then you just blindly tell that it's an adjective, demonstrative adjective. Don't want to get confused. That's a hint I provided you. That's why. Yes, Charantesh, now got it.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
We will see many examples. See, I got many examples, so we will see, no problem. We'll first complete the block. How do you use this, that, these, and those? As you might have gathered, demonstrative pronoun can only be understood with the right context. So context might be pointing, physical context, physical distance, context from conversation. We will see what is that. The physical context often needs to use, okay, these are not. For example, instead of telling the blue ball, you might say that ball. Okay. So can you see what's happening? The blue ball. So the ball is blue color. Okay. They have used that ball. So here that will be coming under what?
Mom,
Adjective.
the
Yeah. No. Adjective. The ball is a noun, no? Ball is present already in the sentence. So that will be obviously
yes.
adjective. Yes.
Yes.
Why the confusion is coming? The blue ball, the ball is noun. That's why I'm telling, go back to the original sentence. Whenever you get doubt, go back to the original sentence. What is the original sentence? This is like these are, no. What is the sentence? I forgot. The blue balls. That's all. The blue balls. Okay. What is the sentence? This is the original sentence. In this, balls are nouns. Am I right? Am I
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So
Yes,
when I
ma'am.
convert, so what is the converted thing they have given? Converted is that ball. Only that ball. Okay. So here again, see the original sentence, the noun is balls. In converted sentence also noun, ball is there. So obviously there is no substitute. We don't want any substitute for noun. That is, we don't want any pronoun because noun itself present. So obviously that will be adjective. Very clear. No, nothing to get confused here. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go for the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the same way they have mentioned for this is for physical context. I mean for maybe the color something location. These flowers are much nicer than those. This is the same example of that we saw here. These grapes are good, but I won't eat those. The same kind of example. These flowers are much nicer than those. No? Here, very, very clear. I hope you can easily answer this question. Right? Can you tell me which is demonstrative adjective and pronoun? Wait, no, everyone should not say. Yeah, Ashwant Kumar, say me.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
These flowers are demonstrative adjectives,
Very good. Yes,
and those are demonstrative pronouns.
exactly. That's all, children. Nothing else is there. Now got it? Yeah, Advika, why laughing? Yeah. So got it, Advika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Everybody got it? Why he said demonstrative adjective and why he said demonstrative pronoun?
Yes.
Anybody still having doubts? That's all, children. That's all. All the sentence will be in the same manner. That's all. Easy to identify, right? Now it become very easy. Right? We will complete the block. Time. So that Friday or those weeks. See here, this is somewhat this is easy only. You also they are coming under time category. So you also would use these and this to refer the fast approaching time in the calendar. So for example, you would say this Friday, right? So this week. So we will use this and those in the time also to represent the month, year, week. So
Ma'am,
they're
will
just
be
telling
asking
about that.
questions now.
What?
Now we will ask the questions now.
Ask in the sense I want to ask you. We will discuss it. Everybody. Yeah. Don't
Okay.
be like a test.
Okay.
But I hope already it is very clear, no? You don't
Yes,
want
ma'am.
any further explanation, but I still have further explanation. I thought these are more better. If you don't understand the blog, I thought this all okay. We will see. So another that he said that he was tired. So in this sentence, he just see the sentence. He said that he was tired. Yeah. He said that he was tired. In this, what is that? Normally, what is that?
Demonstrative pronoun.
But he is there, he is there. Why that is coming?
Adjective. Demonstrative.
Adjective. Okay, okay. So, but tired is something like he said that he was tired. What is an adjective that is gonna come with noun? So it's going
Ma'am,
to describe the noun.
the sentence is not completed right, ma'am. There.
Yeah. Actually, this is some kind of a different sentence.
Not meaningful. It is like that type.
It is belonging to some different sentence. So take this as a homework. I will also do this as a homework. We cannot guess it. Like I think 90% that will come under demonstrative adjective only. I think so.
Ma'am,
What
it
is
is
your opinion?
demonstrative adjective. Ma'am,
Right?
because ma'am, it is demonstrative adjective.
Yeah.
Um, ma'am, because like here
Ma'am,
we
it is
don't have a
not.
noun.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it is
like
not coming with the noun, ma'am.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Ma'am, and the
not coming with a noun.
the sentence is not meaningful, ma'am. It should be a little bit like the type of meaningful.
But the sentence is meaningful
Ma'am,
or
like
not, but it is complete. The sentence is
ma'am, like
complete.
the
Yeah.
sentence is not like actually while hearing the sentence is not correct, but in grammatically if you check it's correct. Because like if I say like actually I think she's trying to say like if you take one name for instead of he in the first line in first word.
Yeah.
If you take one name like Rohan, so
Yeah.
it will be like Rohan said that he was tired.
Yeah.
And here one more thing is the quotation marks is wrong.
Quotation is, it's okay. Just it's for the representation of line they have given, like to get the difference. That's fine. That's fine. But you're right. This is actually, if you cleanly see, this is something somebody is telling to some third person. This is a conversation between a third person and a second person. The first person is completely absent in the sentence. For example, it is like I'm telling to Neha that, Neha, do you know Ashwin said that he was tired yesterday? It's like conversation between me and Neha, but we are talking about Ashwin. Ashwin is not
Yes,
even here.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So these kind of sentences, it's a bit tough to exactly say which is demonstrative pronoun and adjective. But
Ma'am,
90%,
but because
I think this
ma'am,
is
I
demonstrative
think
adjective. Yeah.
in ma'am, like in my exams, like my half yearly exams and all, they ask me these kind of questions only, and I get wrong.
Yeah, but this is, I think, 90% it is demonstrative adjective, because
Ma'am, because for a noun, to be a demonstrative pronoun, we need a noun, which is
yeah,
not here.
yeah,
And if
exactly.
you and one more thing, that in the sentence, like he said that is like trying to say, like it's expressing the tiredness of that person.
Yes. So obviously that should come under demonstrative adjective. As Siddhant said, Siddhant was trying to say, ma'am, already he is a pronoun. No, he is already a pronoun. There is no noun. We have pronoun. So there is no need of a demonstrative pronoun, he is telling. Can you understand the point?
Yes, ma'am. I am also
There is no
thinking like
noun
that.
present. Yeah, exactly that should be the approach. So it's right. I think it should be demonstrative adjective then for sure. For tired, we should have, obviously we should have some adjective for it. So sorry, from a demonstrative adjective for tired. So that should be the demonstrative adjective for sure. So
Ma'am, if
yes,
it comes with a noun, so it should be a demonstrative pronoun.
yeah, correct. So coming here, demonstrative pronoun and adjective example. So this was very good. Starting to get in your heads around like this, that, these, but want some more examples? Yes. So we already saw many example. I Demonstrative adjective describing a noun. See here, this is very good sentence. Demonstrative adjective, it's gonna describe the noun. I really like this house, right? This is a, what is this?
Demonstrative adjective.
Why it is demonstrative adjective? Because
Ma'am,
As house is the noun.
exactly, that's all, children. This is a hint. By hint you can find easily now. You don't even have to check the sentence or read the sentence or understand the sentence. If you see if there is any noun present, then you directly say that it's an adjective, right? If there is no noun, you say it's a noun pronoun, sorry, a demonstrative pronoun. Yes. So see, the second sentence is demonstrative pronoun. I can see this chicken, but what is that? We will
Ma'am,
decode this sentence. Wait, it's somewhat tricky. Yeah. See here. This is actually not tricky. This is just the first sentence, whatever we discuss, same kind. I can see this is chicken, but what is that? Very easy sentence. This will be,
ma'am, like, did you said like
demonstrative
Ma'am,
adjective.
demonstrative adjective.
exactly, that will be
demonstrative
demonstrative pronoun.
Demonstrative pronoun.
Pronoun, because that will be, so this is something chicken, but maybe that may be an baby elephant, or that may be some other animal, some kitten or something else. So we don't know that. What is that? We don't know. So noun is absent. Pronoun is not there. So definitely they go under demonstrative pronoun. But here, chicken is noun. Chicken is there. Already the noun is there. So this will be adjective only for sure. Yes. Now got an idea about what is that and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See here.
Ma'am,
See
like,
here.
did you said
Yeah.
like in the sentence, if there is a noun, it's adjective, and if it is not a noun, it's a pronoun.
I said it's a hint for you to find it out. So it's a easy hint. Just without even
Ma'am, so
thinking for,
can you
yeah.
use that? So, ma'am, can you use that hint to do that? He said that he was tired sentence.
We can use, if you use this hint directly, then also it comes as a demonstrative adjective only, right?
Ma'am, but there is no noun, right?
No, noun is there. sorry, noun is not there, but pronoun is there. So pronoun or noun, something is there, so that we don't want a demonstrative pronoun. What is a demonstrative pronoun? What is the meaning of the word demonstrative? Clearly telling. Clearly telling. So here the sentence is clearly already
Demonishing.
told.
Demonishing.
Yeah, already clearly told, no? That he is he, something he. No,
Yes, ma'am.
we have to think it that way. Noun is not there, I accept you, but pronoun is there. Right. So again, pronoun is there, so we don't want an demonstrative pronoun. Already a pronoun is there. We don't want to demonstrate it again. Already pronoun is there. We have to demonstrate the adjective only. Yes.
Ma'am, like I joined in my mobile, so my mobile charge is getting over. So like it's 15. So just I need to
Yeah.
charge it right now. So
Okay, no
can you
problem.
like tell like one so that I'll just when like
You will
if I
give.
close the mobile also, like I'll be thinking what you're discussing now. So what we will discuss now?
That's all, Nandit, Siddhant. So that's all. I won't discuss more. Just these two sentences and these sentences examples we will discuss. That's all. So if you have understood the concepts, then you can leave. No problem.
Okay, ma'am, I understood actually.
Yeah, that's all. See, all the sentences are like this only. It will come like this only. You don't have to really. Actually, we can end the class. I think class timing is also over, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I don't want to stress much on your head. I hope all the things are clear. Very straightforward. Nothing to get confused, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
But I'll give you a worksheet. Please do that worksheet. It'll be very easy. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, fine.
Ma'am,
Okay,
like
bye. Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
bye,
ma'am.
bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Bye,
when you will
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Yeah, Ashwin.
Ma'am, when you will start the PD class, like you are teaching English grammar now?
You want PD?
Yes, ma'am.
We will have
Sometime.
PD. Because we are already getting weekly ones only. So this time, this was the most trending doubt asked by so many people. Demonstrative pronoun and adjective, and unfortunately, I could not cover this last time also. So I thought we'll clear this today. I think it's crystal clear, right, for everyone. So tomorrow, next class, we'll have PD. No problem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.